Hello people, today I wanted to show you how I created lofted shape by using Bsurfaces addon. And you can do that. It's not that difficult, but you have to know what you are doing because what I used the curve object. You need to have the same curve and you have to copy in edit mode. But I wanted to add it to the scene cylinder. But I will definitely need to copy in orthographic viewport so I can easily match my curve to cylinder. We will turn snapping on, increment, except scaling. You don't select this because it will snap to the grid perfectly. You press numpad on your keyboard button 5 when you see 4 arrows on the right side of your keyboard. Because we have to copy cylinder back in edit mode. Because this is tutorial number 2, how to use Bsurfaces addon in Blender Shift D. I moved a little bit further so you can see. I wish I have decreased the number of edges because it may not be very easy to snap to polygon, but I will add a curve object, Bezier. Okay. But we still need to move. Okay, I will move to that. Okay, I will have to move points a little bit. But you have to copy the same curve later on in edit mode. Okay, we will turn snapping on vertex. You don't select backface, cooling, and line rotation to target only project on to self. I have to use the orthographic viewport because it will be easy for me to snap, and 3D cursor, Shift S. Shift S. Okay, I forgotten about something. Oh, you have to rotate clockwise. Okay, and select curve has to be selected last point as well. Shift D, we will copy now. Please remember, copy clockwise. Shift D. Wait a minute, why it doesn't copy properly? This is what I don't like about Blender. Because sometimes it does not snap curve. Because I have to select all curve Shift D. Don't forget to do that once again. The same latitude we need to copy to the same height of vertex. Shift D. I think this looks okay. Our points are connected to polygon. Segments. I will use two, two or more subdivisions, and I will decrease interpolation. Hopefully this will work without any issue. I will use picker to select polygon, to select curve. I wanted to change curve a little bit. Now I can use active element. No, I have to change resolution because I can see back there. I want to have as beautiful shape as possible. I like very much. Okay. I forgotten to move. I forgotten to move one of the points. My dog is moaning. I cannot let her go at the moment. We have. Okay. I will select this and this. You don't have to have deselected points, but I have to check if this works without any problems. Make sure cyclic cross is selected. Oh, you can see this has been connected. Loops on stroke. You can deselect. Oh, this even gave me similar result. I think it all depends where your points are located because it's not the same. You can match points because if your curve does not match point of the curve here, your shape will not look symmetrical, but it looks okay. But I showed you what you can achieve. I will show you another method in tutorial number 3 because I haven't got a time right now. See you later on because I do not want this video to be too long. See you people later on. Tutorial how to bridge between two polygons loft in Blender Bsurfaces, part number 2.